Alright guys, so I got this Trailmaster Challenger 300 and we're gonna go ahead and change the gearbox oil. I didn't really see a lot of maintenance videos on it or anything, so hopefully this helps somebody out, you know. So this right here is the gearbox, and this is where we're gonna go ahead and fill it up, and then it drains from down here. Let's see if you guys can see it from this plug right there. And if you see this right here, it's right behind the ball, right here. That one's the number 17. Let's see how it drips out. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, that's okay. There's actually a little hole and it's designed to go in there. That's pretty crazy. That's good design. Alright, I'm gonna let it drip out. Then I'm gonna loosen up that bolt. Again, it's gonna be this one right here. And then we're gonna put this, I got this off of Amazon. It's made by Polaris. And that's the gear case and transmission fluid. I also bought this in my local AutoZone. It was like $2-3. And this is because if you try to do a regular funnel, it's not gonna fit in there. So you have to go like this so it can fit. I'll show you guys later. I'm gonna wait for this to drip out. Alright, look, it's dripping out, and I don't know if you guys can see the difference between that and this is the new one. It's just clear compared to the brown. Alright, so I finally finished dripping. So again, just so you guys can see, it came out of there. I'll put this back in there. And then again, we fill it up from right there. So before I fill it up, I'm gonna take off the oil, the engine oil. Sorry about that weight angle. So I'm gonna do the engine oil, which is right there, and then the plug. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's gonna be this one right here. This one right here. That plug, and then this is where you fill it up. And that one's a number 19 socket, and I'm gonna drain it out, and then I'll bring you guys back for the fill up. Alright, so we're down here. Let's see if I can get it with my hand. Sorry guys, I'll flip it back over. To grab it because there's a little spring in the filter there. I'll show you guys right now. Alright, it's almost drained out. So again, as you guys can see right there. And then this is the engine oil. I got this at my O'Reilly's. AutoZone didn't have it. Semi-synthetic 10W40. 4-stroke engine oil. I'm gonna put 1.1 in there, but again, check your manual and your manual will tell you. And that's it. Thank you guys very much. If you enjoyed it, if you want more help or whatever, if you want to see how it rides, like, subscribe. It's very, 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 very important. Thank you guys very much. You have a good day.